All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Test6 Live API to achieve what we see here, the yellow stars and this rating information. So this is actually just Google's natural search results. I'm just searching for a product here, and we see that some of the results stand out a little bit with these stars. And obviously, that's something you want to do to attract more visitors to your pages. So we're going to use something that's called structured data, or rich snippets, which is really the same thing, just different flavors of the same thing to achieve this. So first thing, or actually, let me show you because I just made a little bit like one, two, three step guide to how to achieve this with Test6 Live API. So you want to go to this URL. This is your client dashboard. Once you're logged in, we're now logged in with just a dummy account. So this account have access to Live API and expert reviews. So just to note that the rich snippets will work with expert reviews and aggregated user reviews and user reviews for clients who want to use it. But in this case, we're just gonna showcase it with expert reviews. Okay, so let's start. So we go to the Live API and then the documentation settings. We want to download this thing, a simple example of Live API. So just clicked it and it's downloaded. Next thing we want to do is go here. So I'm not going to do, there's a lot of settings here you can do. You can click custom here. For instance, choose which languages you want and do a lot of various settings, but I'm not going to go through all that here because it's actually available here in this video. So I'm just going to change template here to business because I like that a little bit more. And we're going to use the UK server for our requests. I'm located in Europe, so it's a little bit faster. Then I'm just going to go ahead and download this. Okay, nice. This is really the thing we're looking for here. Okay, but let's do the first step, which was, again, let's sheet here. We're going to set up a test file locally for the Test6 Live API. Okay, let me just then copy those two that I downloaded, and I'm going to put them in my test folder here. And let's bring this up here. Yes, we can reload. So this is a very empty HTML page. Only thing here between the body tags is really our the request we're making to the API, and this is where we point to the JS file. Okay, so that was the first step, but let's double click it and load it so we see it works. So when I clicked this, what happened was there was a request going to our servers, and here's the response. Okay, that looks fine to me, but this is really the thing we're looking for. So like it says here, place inside head. That's nothing more to it. So that's what we're going to do. Just above where this closes. You see closing of the head tag. We just put this part in here. You can just make sure that we're requesting the same product. So I'm not sure about this EAN, so I'm actually going to delete it in this case. And let's go back to this page and reload, see what happens. Obviously nothing happened because the rich snippets or structured data is really something that it's not visible to the user. It's only visible to well, like web browsers or crawlers. So if we inspect here, we can actually see what happened. Let's check here. So you see we're using schema.org, their definition, which is accepted by Google. and we can see the rating value is 7539 and rating count is 76. So if we go back here, you see Google is gonna recalculate that to a 5-star rating and also the number of reviews, and then they're gonna display this these stars here. So because I'm here on my local computer, I can't use Google's tool. Let's bring up the tool, by the way. I actually have to put the page online, and then I can actually just, yeah, this is in Swedish. Let me pause this video, see if I can get that in English for you. Okay, here we are. We got it in English. So this is their structural data testing tool. You can find it on this URL or just search for this and you'll find it. All right, so the next thing we want to do is upload these files to a server. So I'm just going to upload it here. So let's take a look at where we can find this. So it's going to be testseek.co.uk and export examples and test and rich snippets, and finally simple.html. Okay, so you see now we have it on a live server. So let's use this testing tool. So I'm just pasting it there and click run test. So you see this data we were looking at earlier is now caught by Google, which means that over a couple of weeks, takes everything from a couple of days to I've seen 6-7 weeks until Google actually have read all the pages. But after that's completed, you will see this on your Google natural search results. Okay, so that was the whole video. Hope you liked it. Thank you. Bye-bye.